Close up. Close up.
All right, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We have assignments, right, or homework? We already have a homework, right? Yes, so because our next lesson is all about word problem. Okay, word problem. So we just apply all of the method about a linear system equation with two variables. Okay, we just apply in Word. All right, so for your homework, I give you a one problem, which is called, this is our number problem. Okay, so in this number problem, the sum of two numbers is 67. And their difference is 3. Find the two numbers. So remember, we already discussed in the word problem about the keywords, right? In solving a word problem. So in this case, what is the keywords in this problem? What is the keyword? Very good. So the first keyword is we have sum. Next, what is another keyword? Difference. So we have a difference. Now, when we say sum, what is this? Plus or addition. When we say difference is what? Subtraction or minus. So in this case, we talk about a linear system of two variables, right? We need to have a two equation. So in this, the first equation is the first statement that the sum of two numbers is 67. So therefore, we need to find out what is x and y. So let x for our first number. And then y for our second number. Now, let's find out what is the equation in this problem. So again, the sum. So addition. So therefore, we just combine the first number and the second number, which is the, if we add them, the result is 67. So therefore, we have x plus y is equal to 67. Okay? Next is the difference. So we have x minus y is equal to 3. Okay? So, in this problem of two equation, what method that we're gonna use? What method? We have elimination, substitution. What is this? We use elimination because we already have a, so we not just eliminate this one. Okay, after that, eliminate, we just add them, so we have 2x is equal to 70. So therefore, if we have 2x is equal to 70, we need to divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 35. So therefore, our first number is 35. Okay, next is, what is the difference? The other variable, so y. So we just substitute this, the word substitute. So So by substitution, we need to find what is the next number. So therefore, if I use the first equation, so x plus y is equal to 67. Now, the x is 35. So plus y is equal to 67. And then y is equal to what? So we just move here, minus 35. So the answer is 32. So y is 32. Okay? So that is our first number is 35 and the second number is 32. Okay? Do you understand? Now, to double check that if we add this, so we need to prove that our answer is correct by checking, right? So if we add 35 and 32 is equal to 67. And if we subtract it, 35 minus 32 is 3. So therefore, this is the value of x and y. Okay? Alright. So next problem. Now, next problem. Find sum two numbers is 36 and their difference is 9. Find the two numbers. This is also a number problem. I give you 3 minutes to answer that. 3 minutes. That is a number problem. Just try to answer. Remember the keywords and express a word into expression with numbers. Sum and difference. It's okay if your answer is decimal. Decimal answer. Decimal answer. Two minutes. No. Decimal answer. I accept decimal answer. You see? Decimal. Simena ha. 45 divided 2. 22.2. 22.2.
What did you want?
Let's answer. Again, the answer is decimal. Whole number with decimal. Whole number and decimal. Alright guys, so let's answer. So again, remember, this is a number problem. And we just need to find out what is the keywords. So again, sum and difference. So the first equation is the total of 36. So first we need to identify what is x and y. So let x be the first number. Be the first number. And for y is our second number. Now we need to find out what is the equation. So the first equation is we have x plus y is equal to 36. And x minus y is equal to 9. Now, what method? Elimination again. So we just need to eliminate this one. So we have 2x is equal to 45. And then divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 22.5. Okay? That is the answer. Now, next is, we just need to substitute this. So, for example, I use the first equation. So, we have x plus y is equal to 36. So, what is the value of x? 22.5. And then, plus y is equal to 36. So, this one, transpose here, it will become negative 22.5. So, y is equal to 13.5. And that's it. Okay, who get the correct answer? Okay, so let's have another example. So this is a number game. Number problem, sorry. Number problem. How about this? So I go to the store. I have to buy 2 pens and 1 eraser with 35 baht. But if I buy 3 pens and 4 eraser, it is 65 baht. Now, find the cost of pen and eraser separately. So by using this method, by using the linear of system with the 2 variables, right? So by using that equation. So we just need to find out what is the keywords. Okay. So let's find out what is x and y. What is x? So let x for the cost of pen. And then y for the cost of eraser. So we need to find out what is the price separately or the cost, okay? So now, first is we need to find out the equation. Equation, 2 pens. So 2 pens we have 2x. And then 1 eraser equivalent to y. So we have plus y is equal to 35 baht. So this one. So 1 eraser, 2 pens. So we already one expression, right? Now, the second one, we have 3 pens. And then plus 4 y is equal to 65 pa. Now, what method that we're gonna use in this? So we already expressed the word problem into expression, the number expression. Is it applicable for elimination? No. So, we just do what? Multiply by? Multiply by? For what? So, based on the problem, that is addition and addition. Okay? So, to solve that, we just need to multiply by negative 4. So, we just need to express this equation number 1, and then we proceed to elimination. Okay, first is multiply. So, negative 8x. This is negative 8x minus 4y. And 35 times 4. We have negative 140. So, 40. So, after that, we just need to solve it by elimination. Okay, so elimination, we have 3x and then plus 4y is equal to 65. Now, we proceed to eliminate. So, therefore, we have a negative 5x and 75. Okay? Are you still there? Negative. Because the higher value is 140. So, if we have a unlike terms, we just subtract it and copy the sign with the highest value. Okay. Now, in this case, the answer is x is equal to, divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5. So, therefore, if we divide it negative, it's equal to positive 15. So, therefore, x is positive 15. Okay. Next is, we just substitute. So, we have, for example, I use the equation number 1. So, 15 plus y is equal to 35. So, in this case, y is equal to 35. This one is 30. So, y is equal to 5. And that's it. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand? This is a price problem or the money problem or the price of the product. If you have a 2 product, so we can also use this one. So if we have a discounts, right? So as you can see, if you go to the market, so buy 2 shirts, buy 3 shirts, okay? You can use this to analyze what is the price per product. Okay? Do you understand? Yes or no? Okay, how about this? Age problem. So remember the keywords. So the sum of age of John and his mother is 60. 2 years ago, this is the keywords. John's mother was 3 times as old as John. Now, we need to calculate what is the present age of John and the age of John's mother. Now, first, we need to know what is X and Y. What is X and Y? Okay, I'll give you a key. So, the age of John's mother is our X. And the present age of John is Y. Okay? All right, try. Just try. Based on the keywords. I don't know. All right, so let's find out the first equation. So if we add the age of John and his mother, remember age of John. So therefore, this is the X and Y. So age of John and his mother is X plus Y is equal to 60. That is our first equation. Okay? So now, in second equation, we just 2 years ago, and the 3 times as old as John's age. So therefore, we have 2 years and 3 times. Okay? So therefore, we just need to have a X is what? 2 years ago is age of John's mother. So X minus 2. Okay? So equal to the age of mother is, we have Y. Y, the age of John is 3 times, right? Wait. So 3. Y minus 2. Okay? That is the first equation and the second equation. Remember 2 years ago, by age of John's mother 2 years ago, this one. And then the age of John, which is 3 times Y minus 2 years ago. So this is the second equation. Okay? So this one. Now, what method that we're gonna use on this? Elimination or substitution? Elimination or substitution? Anyone? Elimination? So based on the second equation, we use substitution. So we just express by, we have X is equal to, and this one is multiplied by 3Y and then negative 6. And this one, therefore, we have a negative 2, right? We just transpose this. So we have a positive 2. So therefore, the third equation is we have X is equal to 3Y minus 4. So this is our substitution. Okay? So we just need to substitute. Now, try. I give you 3 minutes to answer by doing substitution. Substitute. Try to substitute the value of X to the equation number 1. Substitute. Done? Okay, so substitute the first equation to the first equation with the value of X. So, by equation number 1, which we have x plus y is equal to 60. So, 3y minus 4. Okay? And then, plus y is equal to 60. So, we just need to substitute this to the equation number 1. Okay? Now, after that, we just have to combine the same variable. We have 4y is equal to 60 plus 4. So, just combine it. So, therefore, we have 64. So, in this case, we have 4y is equal to 64. And divide both sides by 4. Y is equal to what? 16. The answer is 16. And that is our y. Okay? Now, what is x? So, y, that is the present age of John. So, therefore, the age of John is 16 years old. Okay? So, that is the age of John. Now, what is the age of John's mother? What is the age of John's mother? 40? Okay, so 44. So we just substitute the value of y. So x plus 16 is equal to 60. So x 60 minus 16. So x is equal to 44. So the age of John's mother is 44 years old. Okay? Do you understand the age problem? No question?
No.
Just express the keywords, identify the keywords, analyze it. If we talk about 2 years ago, subtraction. Okay? If we talk about many times, triple times, that is multiplication, right? So now, no question?
No.
Okay, try to answer. All right, 1 and 2 only.
1 and 2.
Yes.
Oh, no.
1 and 2. The 1 is age problem. Number 2 is a number problem. Go. Just analyze the keywords. Remember, twice is 2. Thrice is 3. Double is 2 also.
ขอบคุณมากบอกว่าทำไมแล้วสองผมอ่านว่าดาวิดอ่ะครูเนี่ยเอาผมไปมองลูกเลยมาสิผมอ่านไม่ออกอ่ะสมัยก่อนผมแค่ทำขีดเส้น x y ผมไม่ได้คิดแบบนี้เลยผมไม่เคยเจอทวิตด้วยสมัยเด็กเจอผมไม่เคยเจอโจทย์ผมเจอแต่เส้นแกน x y แค่นั้นเลยผมไม่มีโจทย์ใช่มีครับแต่เขาดังมีเขาไม่สอนโห ผมไม่เคยโดนเจ็ดนะด่าเจ็ดรู้เขียนโจทย์ไม่เสร็จเลย ของว่านี่ได้ละนี่คือเสร็จแล้ว2 x บวก y มันบวก2 y บวก x y ถามเชื่อ
So the first equation, we have twice age of son, and then if you add age of father, and the result is 56. Twice the age of father added to age of son is 82. Easy na. You have 10 minutes to answer that. 10 minutes.
เร็วจังวะ
5 minutes.
โอ้ถาม4 ครั้งคุณแพ้ค่าแพ้ค่า4x บวก 3x 3x บวก 2x เท่ากับ 7นะไม่เชื่อกูด้วยทำไมวะกูแค่หาเขาไม่คือมึงไม่เชื่อกูหรอกส้นปี
Three minutes.
มือทำไม่ผิดทำไมเชื่อต้องมือให้ไม่ได้
All right, let's answer. Number 1. Finish number 1? All right, so let's answer. So the problem is, if twice age of John, when we talk about twice, that is equivalent to 2, right? And then added is the sum, other term for sum. And then the sum is 56. Of age of father is 56. Now we need to find out what is x and y. So let x be father age and y is age of son. Okay, so twice. So what is the first expression? So we have x plus the age of son is twice. So 2y is equal to 56. And then next is we have the twice of age of father, which is x. So 2x plus y is equal to 82. Okay? Now, by using multiplication first, so we just need to multiply first by what? What number? So, for example, we just need to eliminate this one, the first equation. So, negative 2. X plus 2y is equal to 56. So, we have negative 2x plus, negative 4y, sorry. Negative 4y is equal to 112. Okay? This is negative. And then after that, we just process this one, plus y is equal to 82. So by using elimination. So therefore, we have negative 3y. So subtract this. So negative 3y is equal to 30. So just subtract by negative 30. And then divide both sides by negative 3. So y is equal to 10. And that's it. So the age of son is 10 years old. Now next is we need to find out what is the age of the father. So x plus 2, we have 10 is equal to 56. So x, we have 56 minus 20. So the age of father is what? 36. And that's it. Okay? You understand? Who got the correct answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 7. Okay, how about number 2? Do you have any question on this? No question? Just remember that you need to check what is x and y. Okay? Just double check on that. So number 2. So the sum of the first number is 3 times, the second number is 15. The difference of 3 times the first number and twice the second number is 7. Now you need to find the 2 numbers. So again, the first number is x, the second number is y. So in this expression, 4 times and for the first number and 3 times for the second number. So therefore, we have 4x plus 3y is equal to 15. Okay? And the difference is we have 3x and minus 2y is equal to 7. And that's it. That is how we express the number 2. Okay, what method that we're gonna use on this? What method? we need to multiplication first. And what number? What number? 2 and 3. Okay? To express that, we have 8x and then plus 6y. And then we have 9x minus 6y. Is equal to this one is 30 and this one is 21. Okay? Now, we just eliminate this. So, 9 and 8. So, we have 17x is equal to 51. And then divide both sides by 17. The answer is x is equal to 3. Okay? Next is how to find the y. So the second number is we just substitute. So 4x is 3 plus 3y is equal to 15. Okay, so now we have 12 plus 3y is equal to 15. So therefore, this one transfer here, minus 12. So 3y is equal to 3. Divide both sides by 3. Y is 1. And that's it. X is 3. Y is 1. Okay. So that's it for number 2. So remember, just express by the keywords of the problem. Okay. So who got the correct answer? Alright, so that's it for today for the word problem, and goodbye.